Welcome to the American DARPA Racer program. Teams in this competition build unmanned vehicles designed not just to ride autonomously, but to handle off-road terrain as if there were an experienced driver behind the wheel. The whole idea is to push the development of this kind of technology for the U.S. military, and they've made progress. So far, the DARPA Racer program has collected over 100 terabytes of data, and the test vehicles have already covered more than 500 kilometers. They use an array of lidars, radars, and cameras to see in every direction. And the goal is for them to eventually race across rough terrain fully on their own, possibly even better than a human driver could. German engineers are not sitting idly by either. Their latest invention, the PGA Tech Frog transforming truck, can already be seen on the road. This vehicle makes loading and unloading much easier. Now you can easily get, for example, pallets inside. It's built on a Fiat van, and the design doesn't damage the asphalt, paving stones, or other surfaces. The development was quite successful and was even shown at the Worth exhibition.
Concur has come up with a truly unique and eye-catching idea: portable spherical living spaces that look like something out of the future. These round pods, each about 4 meters in diameter, are designed to be like mini hotel rooms you can place almost anywhere. Inside, you'll find all the essentials: a shower, toilet, small kitchen, and furniture, all packed into a modern, compact space. Originally created using the company's automotive and aerospace experience, these pods are built to be durable, insulated, and weather-ready. In fact, they have 200 millimeters thick insulation and even come with underfloor heating, making them comfortable year-round. One example of their use is a glamping site in Wales, where visitors stay in these spheres for about $230 per night. If you're thinking of owning one yourself, a fully self-contained version of the Concur Pod is available for around $37,000. It's perfect for people who love eco-friendly travel, off-grid living, or just want a cozy, stylish space in a unique setting, whether in the mountains, a forest, or even your own backyard. It's a creative and modern take on the idea of tiny living with big possibilities.
Turkey has its own lineup of armored vehicles under the FNSS brand, and today's highlight is the PA Scout 8x8. With that well set up, this APC naturally stands out for its off-road performance. Trenches up to 2 m wide and obstacles as tall as 70 centimeters don't faze it in the least. On top of that, the engineers designed the layout so carefully that the weight is distributed almost evenly across the axles. That balance allows the PAS Scout 8x8 to handle loose terrain with ease while also giving it a short braking distance and solid control at higher speeds. Its top speed is 100 kilometers per h, and for extra confidence no matter the surface, the driver can fine-tune tire pressure using the central inflation system.
Imagine zipping through the city in a car so small, stylish, and smart, it feels like the future on wheels. Meet the Cherry QQ Ice Cream, a compact electric ride built to make urban driving fun, affordable, and effortless. Powered by a 20 kilowatts motor, this little EV packs 85 Newton-meters of torque and reaches speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour, giving you just the right balance of punch and practicality. You get 2 battery options: a 9.4 kilowatt-hours pack with 120 kilometers of range, or a 13.6 kilowatt-hours pack stretching that to 170 kilometers per charge. And with DC fast charging, the smaller battery powers up in just over an hour. Step inside, and you'll find space for 4, along with essentials like air conditioning, central locking, and remote keyless entry, everything you'd expect in a daily city car. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with disc brakes up front and drum brakes at the rear. Best of all, the price? Between $4,120 and $7,850, making it one of the most budget-friendly ways to join the electric revolution. The Cherry QQ Ice Cream isn't just a car, it's proof that the future of driving can be small, smart, and surprisingly sweet. The Go Low is an innovative creation by Dutch company Flevobike, known for designing smart and practical bikes. Built on a strong cargo bike platform, the Go Low can carry loads of up to 200 kilograms and rides smoothly thanks to its 4 wheels and independent suspension. What makes it really special now is its transformation into a camping bike. It runs on solar power, allowing it to travel up to 50 kilometers a day without needing to recharge from external sources. When it's time to stop and relax, The Go Low offers surprising comfort with a built-in bed, ventilation, a foldable table, and even a small fridge. Despite all these features, it's only 88 centimeters wide, so it can easily fit on bike paths. It's a clever blend of mobility, practicality, and comfort, perfect for eco-friendly travel and off-grid adventures. The ESEEAH1 is a compact and practical tool that's a great fit for any survival kit. It's actually a small arrowhead, but it's designed to do much more than just serve as a projectile tip. You can also use it as a spearhead, a mini knife, a screwdriver, or even a general-purpose utility blade in the wilderness. It's made from 1095 high-carbon steel, which is strong, durable, and easy to sharpen even out in the field using simple tools. The blade is about 2.5 inches long and incredibly lightweight at just 0.3 ounces, making it easy to carry without adding bulk to your gear. The set includes 2 pieces, both stored in a small protective case, so they're kept safe and easy to access. Some people even customize it further by adding a sheath, which you can either make yourself or buy separately. Many users like its minimalist design and compact form, which makes it useful in emergencies or survival situations. Whether you're building a survival bag, prepping for outdoor adventures, or just want a handy multi-use blade, the ESEEAH1 is a solid pick, especially at its affordable $15 price. Imagine gliding through the city with power, comfort, and style, all in one ride. That's exactly what the Cannondale Movaro brings to the streets. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame and the innovative headshock suspension fork, this e-bike soaks up bumps and keeps steering sharp and precise. Add in an upright riding position, swept-back handlebars, and a comfort seat post, and you've got a ride that feels effortless every time you hit the road. Powered by Bosch's advanced e-bike system, the Movaro delivers smooth, natural assistance that helps you tackle steep hills and busy streets without breaking a sweat. Even better, its impressive 175 kilometers range means you can rely on it for daily commutes or weekend adventures without worrying about constant recharging. Safety is also at the core. Integrated bright lights keep you visible at night, while rear-facing sensors alert you to approaching vehicles, adding an extra layer of confidence on crowded roads. Sleek, smart, and built for modern urban living, the Cannondale Movaro isn't just a bike. It's a new way to experience the city. Imagine a single board that can insulate your home, silence unwanted noise, and even act as a temporary roof. Meet the AgePan TEP, a game-changer in modern construction. This innovative fiberboard is designed for insulation but goes far beyond the basics. Perfect for dry screed work, it also fits seamlessly under parquet, laminate, or tile flooring. Thanks to its tongue and groove system, installation is fast, simple, and hassle-free. Even better, one worker can handle the large 190 by 50 centimeters panels on site, trimming them with ease for a perfect fit every time. But here's where it gets even more impressive: soundproofing. AgePan TEP boards can reduce noise by up to 50 decibels, transforming noisy spaces into quiet, comfortable environments. And if you need a quick solution in an emergency, these boards can even double as temporary roofing, lasting up to 8 weeks while keeping everything underneath protected. Strong, versatile, and easy to use, AgePan TEP isn't just another building material, it's proof that smart design can redefine how we build and live. The Igloo TrailMate Cooler is the perfect companion for outdoor fun, whether you're heading to the beach, the park, or a campsite. It's built like an all-terrain ice chest, with large 10-inch wheels that can easily roll over sand, grass, or rough ground. A telescopic handle makes pulling it around super convenient, even when it's fully loaded. Weighing about 35 pounds, this cooler has a generous capacity of 18.5 gallons, which means you can fit up to 112 cans inside. But it's not just for keeping drinks cold, it's packed with handy features. You get 4 cup holders, 2 bottle openers, and 2 umbrella holders. There's also a detachable serving tray, a dry storage pocket for your essentials, and even a special compartment to keep your gadgets safe from water. The cooler is made with Thermocool insulation foam and uses Cool Riser technology, which helps keep ice frozen for up to 4 days. So whether you're hosting a picnic, tailgate, or day at the beach, the TrailMate makes sure your drinks stay cold and your setup stays organized. The queen-size camper concept Galleria for 4 is a clever camper van idea created by engineers from Germany. Instead of buying a separate trailer, This concept shows how you can turn an ordinary car, like a Volkswagen multivan, into a full-featured camper for 4 people. Every bit of space is used smartly to make outdoor living comfortable and convenient. The van includes a sleeping area, with one of the beds located on the roof, giving you more room inside. It also comes with a toilet, a shower, and a pull-out kitchen that features a sink and a 2-burner stove. What makes this design stand out is the attention to detail. For instance, the shower is designed to be used even in cold weather, and part of the heat produced by the stove is cleverly redirected to warm up the water. This concept proves that with smart engineering, you don't need a big trailer to enjoy a cozy and functional camping setup. It turns a standard van into a compact but fully equipped mobile home, perfect for road trips and nature adventures.
Modern technology is turning ordinary cars into helpers that can save money, lift your mood, and even double as a fitness studio. These aren't just trends. This is the future, and it's happening right now. Don't miss the chance to peek behind the scenes of automotive progress. The most exciting part is just getting started. Parking a 5.2M SUV is no harder than liking this video. No stress, just pure satisfaction. The secret lies in the Alafa in-wheel motors. They let the SUV rotate in place, move diagonally, or even slide sideways, which is handy not just for parking, but on highways, too. For example, you can change lanes more quickly. And that's just the beginning. These motors also give drivers 10% better acceleration and shorten braking distance by 15%. In the Alaf Sonic 1 configuration, the motors are so powerful they're fit for hypercars. Each one delivers 3 environments. Here's an interesting insight from the German company FTS. On many farms, trailers are only used during harvest season and for transporting crops, a period that lasts just a few months each year. That's not exactly cost-effective. So why not give those trailers a second life? With just 2 people and an hour of work, they can be upgraded to handle tasks like spreading fertilizer or liquids, making them useful year-round and much more profitable. It includes a flexible transport bag and a rotary pump powered by a hydraulic motor. For added protection, an optional RO is available to chop up solids and catch stones before they reach the pump. The system connects to the hydraulics of a tractor or trailer, or it can run off an auxiliary pump. Installing it takes about an hour with 2 people and requires removing the trailer's tailgate and mounting the unit using pallet forks or a crane. This setup gives farmers and contractors the option to use one trailer for different tasks throughout the year. It doesn't interfere with the trailer's tipping function, so once the combi module is removed, the trailer can go back to its original use. Nothing about the conversion is permanent, which means it can be reversed just as easily when plans or seasons change. The real value lies in its practicality. Instead of buying new machinery, users can adapt what they already have. The system is made to fit into existing workflows, not disrupt them. Switching between transport modes is quick, so there's minimal downtime and no need for specialized tools or help.
Imagine skipping traffic and soaring above the city in silence. That's exactly what Hyundai's futuristic SA2 air taxi promises. At first glance, the name sounds simple, but behind it lies a groundbreaking prototype, a sleek flying capsule designed for the future of urban travel. Unlike traditional aircraft, the SA2 uses vertical takeoff and landing, meaning it doesn't need a runway. Just lift off, fly, and land anywhere. What makes it even more remarkable is its quiet operation. Hyundai claims the SA2 hums no louder than a refrigerator while in flight. That means a smooth, almost silent ride above the chaos below. Inside, the craft is versatile. It can carry up to 4 passengers or be reconfigured to transport cargo. With a range of about 64 kilometers and a cruising speed of 193 kilometers per hour, it's built for short, fast, and efficient city hops. This isn't just another prototype, it's Hyundai's bold step toward redefining air mobility. Production is already on the horizon, and the skies of tomorrow might look very different. The question is, are we ready to turn the daily commute into a flight path? The Katadyn Gravity Be Free is a lightweight and easy-to-use water filtration system designed to keep you hydrated during outdoor adventures. Whether you're setting up camp, chopping firewood, or just relaxing after a long hike, this system helps you get clean drinking water quickly, up to 2 liters per minute. Made by a trusted Swiss company, it's simple to use and doesn't require any complicated setup. Weighing just 6.8 ounces, it's compact and flexible enough to carry in a backpack, making it ideal for camping or hiking trips. The filter can handle up to 264 gallons of water, although its lifespan depends on the quality of the water you're filtering. It's effective at removing bacteria, protozoa, algae, sediment, spores, and cysts, helping ensure the water you drink is safe. One of the best things about this system is how easy it is to clean. All you need to do is rinse the filter cartridge with clean water, and it's ready to go again. Overall, the Katadyn Gravity Be Free is a reliable and practical choice for outdoor lovers who want a fast, portable, and no-fuss way to stay hydrated. Just Aircraft Super Stole. Ever dreamed of landing where there's no runway? The Just Aircraft Super Stole turns that dream into reality. This beast of a backcountry plane is built for adventure seekers who love short takeoffs, rough landings, and the freedom to touch down almost anywhere. Its self-deploying leading-edge slats and massive Fowler flaps give it insane lift, while the heavy-duty shock-absorbing landing gear soaks up even the harshest terrain. With a takeoff distance of just 275 feet and landings that can stop in under 100 feet, the Super Stole laughs at obstacles that would ground most aircraft. Powered by the reliable Rotax 912 engine and weighing just 1,320 pounds, it trades speed for access, cruising around 90 to 110 miles per hour but reaching places no other plane dares to go. More than a machine, it's a flying experience, one that redefines bush flying with pure simplicity and raw joy. The Super Stole isn't just about getting there, it's about how you get there, wild, free, and smiling all the way. Imagine an electric bike that doesn't stop at roads or trails, it even takes on snow. That's the Avenir Combat e-bike. Built for adventure, this machine packs a powerful 5,000-watt motor, pushing speeds up to 37 miles per hour. Its 72-volt lithium-ion battery delivers a solid 43-mile range on a single charge, giving riders the freedom to explore without limits. Every detail is designed for strength and balance. With a 1,335mm wheelbase, a sturdy 242-pound frame, and a max payload of 286 pounds, it's engineered to handle tough environments while carrying what you need. But the real game changer is the snow kit. In less than an hour, this bike transforms into a snow-ready ride, letting you carve through winter terrain with the same confidence you'd have on dirt or pavement. At $9,999, the Combat e-bike isn't just a bike. It's a four-season adventure machine. Wherever you ride, this beast proves that limits are meant to be broken.
Things are going quite well in Sweden, too. The team at Scania offers a wood chip truck. In 2021, Scania engineers created a 112 feet long wood chip truck that made transporting wood chips 30% more efficient. The innovative truck boasts smooth operation and reduced fuel consumption, as well as impeccable behavior in traffic jams. The video shows an earlier version owned by a logistics firm. The truck Scan R560 equipped with a standard 560 horsepower engine was chosen for modernization. According to tests, the wood chip truck came out not only reliable, but also economical. With an annual mileage of 167,770 miles, companies will spend $4,867 less on fuel.
Imagine a shield that can stop a wildfire before it reaches your home. That's exactly what Blaze Barrier does, turning your house into its own firefighter. Wildfires can wipe out entire neighborhoods in minutes. But with Blaze Barrier, you don't have to wait for help to arrive. This smart system creates a rapid, protective wall between your property and the flames. Here's how it works. Place compact modules around your home. When fire approaches, the system's detonator bursts into action, releasing a special fire-suppressing powder into the air. In seconds, it smothers the flames and stops them from spreading. The best part? This isn't some harsh chemical. The powder is eco-friendly, safe for plants and animals, and leaves no harmful residue in the soil. In a world where every second counts, Blaze Barrier gives you the power to protect what matters most, even when firefighters can't reach you in time. Your home doesn't just survive the fire, it fights back.
The Lamborghini Revuelto is a cutting-edge hybrid sports car, unveiled on March 29, 2023, as the Aventador's successor. Designed for comfort, it offers a larger cabin with extra headroom and elbow space. A standout feature is its city hybrid mode, ideal for daily driving. This mode lowers power for smoother, more comfortable city rides. The car's redesigned display shows battery charge, energy recovery, and even music details. Fuel usage and battery levels are separated for clarity, while passengers get their own screen to view speed, gear, and car status. Built with a carbon fiber monocoque, the Revuelto is 10% lighter than the Aventador, combining luxury and agility for an unparalleled driving experience.
Imagine a pulley so advanced it solves one of the biggest problems off-roaders face, rope slippage. Meet the Factor 55 rope retention pulley, the world's first of its kind. This game-changing design uses rubber fingers that lock the rope in place, so even when the line goes slack, it stays secure. No more frustrating slip-outs when you're in tough terrain. Built exclusively for synthetic ropes between 8 and 12 millimeters, and paired with soft shackles, it delivers flawless performance. The widened opening ensures smoother rope movement while protecting shackles from unnecessary wear. To make it even tougher, the key contact area is coated with Teflon, cutting down friction and heat during heavy pulls. Despite weighing just 600 grams, this powerhouse can handle up to 10 tons of load, all thanks to its military-grade, anodized aluminum body. For $115, you're getting strength, safety, and reliability, proudly built in the USA, where winching isn't just a tool, it's a serious craft. The Factor 55 rope retention pulley isn't just equipment, it's a new standard in off-road recovery. When the trail tests you, this pulley makes sure your rope never lets go. Get ready to meet a machine that looks like pure adrenaline on wheels, the 2025 Vanderhaal Venice GTS. This isn't just a ride, it's a bold fusion of exotic roadster design and thrilling performance. Under the hood, it roars with a 1,500cc inline-4 engine, pumping out 194 horsepower and 275 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, it delivers sharp acceleration and a driving experience that feels alive at every turn. With Brembo dual disc brakes, ABS, and precise steering controls, safety and handling are just as exhilarating as the speed. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame, the Venice GTS is sleek yet sturdy, measuring 143 inches long with a wide wheelbase for balance. Despite its muscular power, it weighs only 1,460 pounds, giving it agility that keeps the ride fun and responsive. Step inside, and comfort meets performance. Heated bucket seats, keyless ignition, LED lighting, and touring practicality all come standard. The Venice GTS isn't just transportation. It's freedom, style, and power rolled into 3 wheels, redefining what an American touring machine can be.
Super dumps. These trucks allow transportation of goods weighing up to 26 tons on the same roads as other trucks or dumpers. However, its distinctive feature are its axes from 3 to 7 depending on the model. Their number can be adjusted depending on the requirements of one or another country. This feature makes this truck unique in its possibilities in most countries. It has 3 fixed axes and can additionally connect 4 more, 3 of which work simultaneously and the 7th in the form of a folding axis. It leans back up, which greatly facilitates the passage of the truck on public roads.
Imagine a car so futuristic it doesn't just dominate the road, it takes to the skies. This is Mansory's latest masterpiece, a flying hypercar concept built to redefine luxury and performance. Mansory has always been known for pushing the limits of automotive design, customizing icons like the Bugatti Veyron. But this creation takes their vision to another dimension. Inspired by legendary machines like the Ferrari F50 and the Pagani Huayra, it blends breathtaking curves with aggressive aerodynamics, all wrapped in lightweight carbon fiber. What makes it even more incredible? It's loaded with cutting-edge features, autopilot systems, remote control functions, and intelligent navigation that practically drives for you. Yet, despite all this futuristic tech, nothing compares to the thrill of gripping the wheel yourself. The raw connection between driver and machine is something no algorithm can replicate. This isn't just a car, it's a bold statement about the future of mobility. A vision where speed, luxury, and innovation collide. And if this is the future Mansory imagines, the road and the sky will never be the same.
The Racebird is a cutting-edge, all-electric racing boat designed by E1. With its sleek, futuristic design and advanced hydrofoil technology, it is built to revolutionize electric racing on water. This high-tech boat features a single-seat cockpit similar to a race car, complete with a steering wheel and pedals for precise control. It is powered by a battery built by Chrysler Electric, which uses immersion cooling technology to keep it running efficiently. Thanks to its instant torque, the Racebird quickly lifts onto its hydrofoils, gliding above the water to reduce drag and improve energy efficiency. It can reach speeds of 58 miles per hour, 93 kilometers per hour, with a peak power output of 150 kilowatt and a battery capacity of 35 kilowatt hours, allowing for 2 full charges per race event. The Racebird is paving the way for a new era of sustainable, high-speed water racing.